Welcome to campus, players. As you take your first steps on the climb to graduation, there are many ways to maximize your educational build and get the most from your time at school. First things first, fill up your inventory with courses that match your goals. But be careful with how many and what courses you choose. Biting off more than you can chew can overload your semester and lead to some serious burnout. Don't worry though. If you do find that your course load is too heavy or that you're not ready for a particular class, the registrar can always help you change your choices as long as you're within the add-drop window. Like all things, but especially when selecting which classes to take, it pays to play smarter, not harder. And if you already have experience in a subject like math or a language, often you can test out of preliminary classes, saving you time and money. This is also the time to put your existing credits to use. And if you've taken AP classes or dual enrolled in college courses during high school, those can be the perfect power-up to help you reach your goals. Nice one, players. You've scaled your way to finals week, your final challenge, and the chance to combine all your knowledge and powers. So put your heads together, form your study groups, and get ready to ace this one. Congratulations, players! You did it! So take a moment, put those feet up, and pop some potion bottles, because your next challenge is just ahead.